Defend your Bamberg County home from the elements with Palmetto State Gutters, proudly servicing Denmark, South Carolina. Proper gutter installation is crucial for keeping your property safe from water damage. Trust our top-rated team to provide a perfect fit and professional service for your home. Veteran leadership at Palmetto State Gutters means you get top-notch service with a focus on precision and reliability. Our seamless gutters are fabricated on-site to suit your Denmark home perfectly, preventing leaks and enhancing durability. Thanks to over 265 five-star reviews in Bamberg County, you can trust our expert installation and affordable rates to protect your home from the elements without breaking the bank. Reach out by phone or visit our website to schedule your free quote now. We're ready to provide you with expert advice and solutions. Palmetto State Gutters. No leaks, no excuses. Only results in Denmark, South Carolina.